My name is Ivy Scott and I'm a senior here at Brevard High School. This semester, I've had the opportunity to take part in an internship, and I was super excited about this because it's giving me an educational experience that I would not have gotten in the classroom. I'm able to intern at the U.S. Forest Service because I have a concentration in career and technical education, specifically agriculture. This also helped me to become a river ranger over the summer, which led to the contact that allowed for this internship. Not only has this helped me with my career choice, but it's also given me real-world experience that I would not have gotten in a classroom. I learned what it's like to work with a team, by myself, in an office, at home on my computer, and with all different types of people. Different course options within the school also led to this decision and gave me an idea of what I'd like to do next semester, as well as in the future. Without this educational experience and this opportunity, I would not have been able to do this internship.
Hi, as a former CTE teacher and current CTE director, I can tell you that career and technical education is the bridge to successful internships and apprenticeships. Apprenticeship training combines classroom instruction with on-the-job training. For students, this is an invaluable investment for your future. So why not get paid to learn?